Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. Today I would like to teach you some common names of fruits which are very much common and commonly eaten in Bangladesh. First one, jackfruit. It is the national fruit of Bangladesh. Mango. It is the most favorite fruit to the Bangladeshi people. Hog plum. Amra. Pomegranate, dalim, Indian gooseberry, amloki, blackberry, jam, custard apple, ata, watermelon, tormoj, jujube, boroi, wood apple, kotbel. Thank you for watching.